Yellowbird accepting her mount well. No reason why she shouldn't. This was originally a Better Grow bag baby 2 years ago. It flowered that January, last January, and it'll flower again this January, or January coming. This is Florida cypress, hard as a rock. I have no idea how old it is. I made a video of this last year showing that there was an artificial plant attached to it at a flea market or a thrift shop. And I zoomed in on it and tapped it. I said, wow, this will make some mount. And it sure did. Alrighty, take care everybody. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.